Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need a live app and traffic before revenue becomes realistic. First, register for Google Admob and link your app and analytics. This lets you collect data and payments. Next, choose one or two ad formats to integrate: banners for steady fill, interstitials for high CPMs, or rewarded ads for engaged users. Once done, implement the Admob SDK correctly and verify ad units show in test mode. This prevents policy violations and prepares you for optimization. Now focus on placement and measurement. You should position ads to maximize viewability without disrupting core flows. Make sure rewarded ads align with clear rewards to keep retention high. Implement mediation to call multiple networks and boost fill rate and CPMs. Configure waterfall versus bidding as experiments. Also, instrument events and revenue tracking per ad unit and user cohort so you can identify top-performing screens. Once done, run a/B tests for placement, frequency caps, and creative to iterate toward higher RPMs. To finalize, grow traffic while keeping user quality high. Measure lifetime value versus acquisition spend and favor organic or targeted channels. Continuously monitor eCPM, fill rate, and policy alerts. Set alerts for sudden revenue drops. If you encounter issues, first check for invalid traffic or policy violations, then verify SDK and mediation adapter versions and server-side configurations. Make sure reporting aligns across Admob and analytics. If discrepancies persist, segment by country and device to find root causes and apply fixes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.